welcome to my channel Creativities with Nikita. So today's video is about how I will create a beautiful painting of a peppermint tea with lemon. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. First, I have drawn a sketch with my pencil on a Brustro paper which is around 200 GSM. Here I am using Camel Artist watercolor cakes of 18 shades. I am using the brush which is provided in this box only. At first, I will wet the paper or the area where I will use color. Then I am using lemon yellow as the primary base, and then for shade I am using chrome yellow and orange. For the dark shade of orange, I am using scarlet. For painting the lemon, I am using lemon yellow with a pinch of yellow ochre. For the lively green mint leaves, I will be using lemon yellow, then emerald green with a mix of viridian hue, and also using sap green for darker shades. For the glassy effect on the cup and the plate, I'll be using a little bit of black with white and then mix it to make a grey color, and then I will apply with my brush. I will add some depth to the lemon using yellow ochre and lemon yellow. For the background, first I will wet the paper and then use cerulean blue to highlight the cup and the tea. Always prefer to start with a light shade and then gradually increase the shade with the same color. Hope you enjoyed this basic tutorial of creating a beautiful tea painting using watercolors. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe my channel for more such interesting videos and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.